Morning, legends. I'm out here, New Hanover I think we're at. We're out somewhere, staying somewhere out one of those islands. Not much else past those islands. And I'm here at the local market, check it out. They're also awesome. Like, it's super cool. They all come down out of the mountains up there, none of the farms. Come along and sell their gear. Look, there's the Brittany. There's my Brittany. Hey. Check it out. Where's Eraway? I don't know where she is. Yeah, somewhere around here. I'm on my own. Me and Brittany. There's somewhere here. We're not in danger at all. Haven't been at all. Still surprised about that. The West talks about this danger business a bit much, but anyway. Yeah. There's these, look how long these bananas are. Look at them. You get this dried fish, you can eat it, it's good. I've had heaps and heaps. It's tasty as. There's some kind of joke going on. They're always having a laugh, huh? And you might be noticing that that I don't have a middle anymore. Probably should have led with that. Probably wondering why Winston has been knocked around so much. He just wasn't doing well for the team, you know. Just wasn't a team player. If we wanted to go snorkelling, he let the water in and it went up my nose and I didn't like it. So when someone lets the team down, it's not their fault. We just got to try something new. And so I had to this morning, because we're going snorkelling somewhere out on one of those islands. I think it's a little fella over that way. Just trim him up a bit so the snorkel can fit, around. Get a good seal. So his new name is Snorkelston. A bit like Winston, but different. Now he's a team player. Oh, look at this. So we're in the middle of nowhere, and look, there's a drone. It's come from the island we're at. They get a lot of super yachts there, and I think that, well, the story goes is that one of the super yachts that came and visited, because they're so massive, they can park off the coast because there's nothing else out there, and they come in and stay. And the story goes that they gave him it. And then they showed him how to set up the videos and create all the videos and edit them all and those sorts of things. So that's a bloke called Isaiah. Where is he? He's probably driving the drone. Oh, here he is over there, this fella here. So he's epic. He's well worth. He's exceptional at Clem's Island. The guy's just can't speak highly enough for him. We watched the State of Origin last night. Queensland won. Sweet ass, bro. It was a good tight game. I liked it. New South Wales. Geez, it was a good game. I liked it. I almost swore. So that's the update, legends. I'll give you one last little look from the beach. Oh, here's all the traditional dugout canoes. They all come in off in there. I still don't know what they are. They look like sleeping bags to me, but they're not. I'm sure there's something in there that you can eat. And that's them. There's the markets. And we're staying at Clem's place, that boat there. So yeah, see you soon, legends. Bye.